Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and use custom roster in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. So let's learn how you can download roster. So for that, you need to go to Creation Center. Over here, you're gonna see the option Download Center. So select that. To download the rosters, you need to go to the option Rosters, and here you can simply see all the available rosters you have. And of course, the game is new, that's why we don't have a lot of options. But whichever roster you like and would like to download that, simply highlight it and simply select that, select the option download, and it will start downloading the roster. So wait for a few seconds. Now guys, once the downloading is done, just get back from here. Now to use the roster, we need to go to Creation Center again, and this time we're gonna select the option load/delete files. And here of course we're gonna select roster. This is the roster we have downloaded, so we have to load it first. So select that and select yes, but keep in mind, if you load the file, all current progress will be lost. So if you're sure about that, simply select yes. You can see the file is successfully loaded. Now we can get back from here. Since our downloaded roster is loaded, we can use it for franchise mode. So just go to franchise and select the option create/load. Then select the option create new league. Right here, it doesn't matter if you go for offline or online. Then here you need to select the option roster file, and you can see they started importing the roster. So wait for a few seconds, and yeah, you can see we have the window to choose the team, and you can basically just set up your franchise from here. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you're able to download and use custom roster in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.